Hey guys, it's the Chad, your C10 truck nerd. Well, we survived 2025 and we've shot right into 2026, but before we get going too far, I want to take a minute to thank each and every one of you guys out there for the continued support. Whether you subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, InstaSnap, the website, or potentially even bought some shirts, I truly appreciate it because we couldn't do any of this cool stuff without you guys. Now, 2025 was a pretty successful year for us, and when I say successful, I mean I bought way too many trucks, I didn't get the shop finished, I turned our property into a salvage yard, and I almost croaked, so minus all that stuff, it was a win. Now, don't go anywhere because we're going to go through and take a trip down memory lane of 2025 and also show you what we got up our sleeve for 2026, and it's pretty wild if these geese don't poop on me, so yeah. Well, with 2025 in the rearview mirror, it's time to put the pedal to the metal in 2026. And again, guys, I got to tell you how truly blessed I feel to have everybody's support out here because I'm able to go through and chase some of my dreams. And I also want to say you're welcome because in 2026, through the lens of a camera, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to get to witness me having my midlife crisis. You know, we're 2 weeks into the year, well, not even 2 weeks into the year, and it's already began. So, you know, you're welcome for that. Now, at the end of each year, the beginning of the next, I usually go through and make a video of all the parts that I've bought, hoarded, or sold throughout the year, which is really fun until you start editing the video, and then it's pretty depressing because I see how out of control I've been for the whole year. But we're going to go ahead and do that again this year too and talk about some other things. And truly, when 2025 kicked off, my goal was to buy less parts and to start working on more projects, but that quickly changed because I've been working behind the scenes for a little over a year on kind of a secret project, which you guys will hear about here in the next couple weeks, but I needed a bunch of cash, I needed a bunch of parts, so I went all hot and heavy on flipping parts this year. And well, number one, you know, I'm a hoarder. Number two, I just really enjoy it. You know, if I can keep good used parts in circulation, clean them up, paint them, sell them to these high school kids or guys on really tight budgets, that's what this channel is all about. It is all about budget and keeping the next generation into the hot rod world. So I'm just going to keep doing that because that's one of my favorite things to do. Now, like I said, I bought and sold a lot of stuff this year, and I'm going to show you guys some of it because I'm really bad at remembering to take pictures until I resell some stuff. So you're getting a taste about probably 25–30% of what I bought or hoarded this year, and I tell you, it's a lot. Well, I'm sure that seemed a little excessive to some of you guys out there, and if it didn't, then you probably have some hoarding tendencies like myself, and you should call C10s anonymous. Now, buying, selling, and flipping parts, this is how I support the channel, you know? Believe it or not, running this channel is not a lucrative business. I bring in like tens of dollars a month, but I'm gonna keep doing it because I love it. I'm having a lot of fun, meeting a lot of great people. Now, throughout the year, we had a blast. You know, Kiddo and I, we went through and set up our booth at the annual swap meet. My wife went to her first C10 Nationals. We got to go back to the SEMA show. I bought a ton of trucks, and we made a bunch of videos. And you've heard me say it once, you've heard me say it 1,000 times. The trucks are great, but it's the owners, the history, the stories, and the future memories that you're going to make with them is what all of this is about. Now just try and tell me that we don't have an absolute blast on the channel, but what's in store for 2026? Well, it's like a wise man once said, hold my beer because we've got a lot of wild stuff sitting in the queue and more to come throughout the year. But the first thing we have to do is go through and finish the interior of this shop. You know, somehow it's the middle of winter in Kansas and the high is 58 degrees here today. And if this is global warming, bring it on, you know, but I have to get some of these projects indoors this winter. That way I can stay motivated. Now we do have some exciting stuff coming. Like I said, we have this secret build that's getting ready to pop off. You'll learn about it in a few weeks. We've got new sponsors to work with. I'm gonna go through and try to hit 40,000 subscribers on the channel this year. I know that's a massive goal, but if I don't have goals, then I'm gonna lose motivation. And on New Year's Day, I went through and made the dumbest, most awesome, massive purchase that I've ever done before, and I've still got to take care of that, so stay tuned. I think you guys are going to think I'm a total idiot for this one. Well, if you guys haven't, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you come back because this year, I'm lighting my hair on fire and we're streaking through the quad. Well, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.